Hey guys,
We are the KIDZ BOP Kids.
So we just got this big box and we have no idea what's inside of it. So, guys, should we check it out?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, here we go.
Let's open it up. All together.
Cool. Whoa, what's that?
Okay.
Open me.
Open me?
Open me.
Open it.
All right. Matt, you want to open it?
Sure.
All right.
Do this. Oh, snap.
KIDZ
Whoa.
BOP 30. Two of them.
30.
Okay.
That's cool.
30.
Can I see this?
Yep.
Oh. All right.
I love the
So
cover.
we've got our album cover. Awesome. Pink.
And if you open
and
it-
So
yellow.
cool.
Let's open it up.
Yeah.
CD's yellow this time.
Whoa.
Oh, look. Yeah.
Let's see what's inside.
I can't
you
get
have
it out.
trouble, Ashley?
I sure am.
All right.
All right.
We have us, a picture of us. You know, here's a fun fact. That picture of us is actually the same picture of the poster we have that we saw in store. All right, is there more?
Yes. So we've got this beautiful.
Nice.
That's
thing.
nice.
Nice.
Oh.
A card.
There's a letter.
What is
There's
this
a
card?
letter.
There's a letter. Hold on.
Dear Ashlyn, Breedia, Grant, and Matt, KIDZ BOP 30 is out now. Inside this box, you'll find a few gifts that correspond with some of our favorite tracks from KIDZ BOP 30. Can you figure out which song matches each gift? Good luck and have fun. Here are the tracks to choose from.
Okay, let's put this here.
Oh wait,
So the tracks are Bad Blood, Hey Mama, Cheerleader,
Worth
with
it.
it.
Worth
You say
it.
cheer letter.
where are you now? You know you like it. Photograph, watch me,
and
and make some noise.
noise.
All right, let's get started, guys.
All right.
All right.
This is. Oh, okay.
Wait, let's open
Alright.
them in order.
Yeah.
All right, what is it?
I don't know.
Looks like
Blue.
Cheerleader,
this is cheerleader.
definitely.
Cheerleader.
Cheerleader. Okay.
All right, let's open this up.
This looks like it feels like a microphone. Oh no, it isn't. So let's see. We have here. Oh, a horn.
Make
Make some
some
noise, maybe?
noise.
Wait. So wait, no, hold on.
Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Yeah, that's for sure. All right. Feels like a movie.
Just
Ashley.
Photograph.
Photograph.
Oh, this
Oh
one's a good
my
one.
jeez.
Hey, how?
I like
that was
that.
that's an old picture, isn't it?
That was when we were
Look,
turning.
You were so cute.
I was so.
We were really little.
That's our Newsies hat.
Yeah, I lost that.
Oh, we have long hair.
I
Breed's
look like a goblin.
This is our photo.
Our photograph.
Photograph. That's definitely photograph.
All right. All right.
Just for Ashley.
This one says just for Ashlyn. All right. Let's see what this one is.
Wait, was that?
Oh my
is it
goodness.
Candy?
Yes.
What?
You got the Willy. Is it Willy
Woo.
Wonka?
So
That
what
was
is
Cadbury. It's my
I thought
favorite.
it was Willy Wonka.
Hold on. What song is this?
Cadbury.
I was like, she's gonna get a golden
Bad
ticket.
Blood? Is it Hey Mama?
Maybe
Worth
it's you know
it?
you like it.
Ooh.
It's yellow watch, a yellow watch, a yellow watch. Yep, watch
okay.
me. It says playtime, party time, party time,
All
party
right,
time.
I'm opening
like
one.
that.
I'm opening one.
That looks like Watch Me.
That one.
The heck?
What is that?
It's a map.
It's a map.
Wait.
Math.
Of the world.
Where are you now?
Oh, where?
Oh.
That's good.
I get it, I get it.
All right, let's go through the ones that we already know. So we have Cheerleader, Where Are You Now? You know you like it. Photograph, Watch Me, and Make Some
noise.
So
Noise.
we
Yeah,
need
three
Worth
more.
It, Hey Mama, and Bad Blood.
All right,
Bad Blood.
let's see.
This is
Bad
Blood.
Blood.
I'm gonna put one.
What? You sure?
Whoa.
Yes.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, look
Happy
at.
Halloween, guys.
Oh.
It's October, by the way.
Whoa.
Wait, is this on right? All right.
Suck your blood.
I'm gonna open this letter. Am I allowed to now, guys?
Can I do it? Let's read it.
Let's
actually.
read it together. Look at all these.
Hey, mama.
Oh. Sure. It's cute.
These are our mamas.
That's Mama. That one's
That's
fine.
mine.
That's Matt's.
This is my mom.
No, that's my mom.
Wait, that's
That's
weird
my
because that's
mom.
my mom and that's your mom,
That's
Ashlyn.
your mom, Ashton.
Hey,
That's
guys,
my
that's my
mom.
mom.
And that's
Look,
Brittany's
look.
mom.
Hey, Mama. Oh.
All right, last one. What's this yearly allowance?
I don't. Try it.
Hey,
I really want this chocolate. Oh, it's dark chocolate. You want dark chocolate? You like dark chocolate?
Whoa. That's a big Grant dollar.
Why am I not on there, huh?
Oh, look,
Let me
we
show
got
you.
our own
Oh, we got
dollar.
our own. Give me
Got
that.
them
Sorry, it's an Ashland dollar.
Ah, my teeth. I crushed my teeth.
These teeth hurt
So
now.
we're worth it. Yeah.
Get
We're
it.
worth $1.
Get it.
Woo!
Smells like money. Is this not even allowed.
Oh, where'd my dollar go?
It's only $1.
My dollar.
All right, you guys, we loved making this unboxing video, and we know you're gonna love Kids Bop 30. So when you get your copy, make sure that you make your own Kids Bop video, because we love seeing the videos that our fans make.
If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe so you can be the first to know when we put new videos up.
Yeah, and make sure you comment down below and tell us what your favorite songs are off of Kids Bop 30.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.